Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how you can rotate a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. I have this video sample with me. I'm just going to double click on this. And you can see it's in a portrait. I'm going to convert it into landscape and then I'm going to rotate it. Let me show you step by step. You can do the same with any video that you have. Just click on this and drag it to your timeline. Once it is your timeline, just click on this sequence. Click on this sequence panel on the top. And click on sequence settings. Once you do that, I'm going to put it here. And from this part, just change the value to 1920 to 1080. This will convert the vertical to the horizontal. Just click on OK and again click on OK. And now from this part, you can see the video is now converted into the landscape. Now let's rotate the video. You can do that, just simply click on the video and click on Effect Controls. If you can't find this panel, just click on Windows and click on Effect Controls. Now to rotate the video, there's an option in the motion for the rotation. And here you can change the value to 90. So it will convert the video from the vertical to the horizontal. You can do the same by putting the value to 70. But we will stick with the 90. And here you go. Now you can see the video is now converted into horizontal by rotating the video. And that's how you can rotate a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.